It looks absolutely beautiful. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah, the look is simply amazing, but the sound is not. Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you all with the brand new Mercedes AMG 2023 model C43, and in today's video I will be doing a full walk around including the full exterior and the interior, and finish it all off with a sound check plus resume. But before we start with the video guys, I have a question for you. Which car would you take? Would you take the brand new C43 AMG, or would you take the most powerful AMG, the AMG GT63 SE Performance, or would you take the EQE 53 in an amazing Graphite Grey Magno exterior paint, or the E53 Estate, or would you take the C43, the legendary V8 bi-turbo C63 Cabriolet, or the EQS? Guys, I'm inside a dream garage, but our main focus will be the all-new C43 AMG. But before we start with the main walk around, let me also mention all the technical information regarding the new C43, because literally everything on this car has changed. Back in the days, we used to have an in-row 6-cylinder for the 43 and 53 models, and now the 2-liter 4-cylinder is replacing them. We have the M139 engine, which we also know from the A45 and the CLA45. It's now also in this C43 AMG. In addition to that, we have the new belt-driven starter generator, giving another 10 kilowatts output. It's like 14 horsepower. And we also have a new turbocharger here, an exhaust gas turbocharger with the C43. So there's literally a lot, like everything has changed. As I mentioned, 0 to 100 is like 4.6 seconds, but it's still a 43, guys. Wait for the performance of the 63. But let's just get right into it. The exterior paint is called Graphite Grey Magno, one of my favorite color options for Mercedes cars. We have no night package and some amazing wheels, so let's get it on. So starting with the headlight unit here, we have the C-Class specific eyes, the single LED line here with the single LED torch, which looks super nice. This is the digital light headlight unit. In addition to that, we have the new and aggressive looking so-called Panamericana grille. Is completely A-shaped, also with the shark front, and you see the way the star is also tilted in the front. The front bumper is exactly the same as we have with the C-Class AMG line, so there's no difference except for the grille. But all in all guys, in this finish, this car looks absolutely beautiful. Looking on the side guys, I just love the silhouette of the C-Class, all the lines. In addition with the exterior paint, it really underlines the sporty look and character of the C-Class 43 AMG. The wheels here are the multi-spoke wheels, the new ones. One of my favorite options, looks extremely nice, finished in silver here. We have the brake calipers behind that, finished in gray, and also these aero flicks. I wish we had these wheels without them. I think they will look even 10 times better. On the side, instead of having the turbo 4MATIC badge, we now have the turbo electrified badge because of the new exhaust gas turbocharger. Also here you can see that we have no night package, everything is finished in chrome. If you had the night package, this would be all blacked out. In the rear, we also have the rear axle steering. It moves up to 2.5 degrees to the opposite direction to enhance the turning circle of the new C43 AMG. But let's move on guys, there's something way better looking than the front in my eyes, and it's the rear. The base C-Class already is an extremely nice looking car, and with the C43 I think it's just perfect. I still can't wait to see the C63. Just look at it, we have the C63, the old one, the facelifted version, sitting right in front of us. You see the wider body, and now imagine if we had this look on this car here with this exterior paint. Would be extremely nice. So design wise, I think the C-Class never looked that good. C43 badge, full finished in chrome. We have this small looking rear spoiler. This is I think stock. There's an optional one which is way bigger. The star chrome, AMG badge chrome. The tail lights extremely slim and sharp looking, underlining the characteristics of the C-Class, young and sporty. The exhaust tips are finished in chrome as we have no night package, and these are not fake, but as you have a closer look inside, these are not connected with the real exhaust, but still look good. I miss the way they also engraved these with the AMG back in the days. But all in all guys, how do you like the look of the new C43 AMG? Here we also have the key. There's a base C-Class key, also with the AMG, and in the back as well. Unlocking C43 AMG. Now time for the interior look. look. So there's something I really have to show you before we do anything else, and it's the animation. Look at this. Oh, in addition with the sound, this is just absolutely crazy. So we are now inside the all-new C43 AMG. The interior is just beautiful. The C-Class interior in my eyes is one of the best, because also with the new display it fits the C-Class, the young characteristic, but just the overall looks just beautiful, in addition with the ambient color as well. First of all, we have the new flat bottom AMG steering wheel sitting right in front of us. Yeah, this one is finished in leather, but you can also go for the Alcantara Dinamica finish on this as well. The display for the driver, and this one as well. As soon as you have a close look on this, it's not 100% straight, it's tilted towards the driver. As soon as you open this compartment, you can see this gap, and it's 6 degrees tilted towards the driver to have a more driver focused drive. The ambient color is just amazing. It's not an option, it's stock for the AMG version. Here everything is finished in leather with a nice yellow stitching, and something I love about the C43, I really like a lot, are the new seats here. Also with the C43, the shape of these are just absolutely nice, and the inside here with the yellow, and you can just touch inside, and there's like small holes, and also the back of it is like finished in leather. This is so cool, something I love. Back in the days these were finished in plastic, and now it's like a leather with even with stitching. You see that? The finish is just beautiful. I like it a lot. Also with the AMG emblem here, the AMG emblem over there, and also AMG floor mat. All in all, I really like it. But guys, there's something I have to show you. You're already hearing. I lowered the window for you. Let me just go for the AMG Super Sport menu here. And now we will be starting up the C43. Let me just start the ignition first. When we do that, we have the nice animations here. You guys know I love animations. And now we will be setting the car to Sport Plus. And as soon as we do that, the exhaust is also on. You see that? But we will leave it on. And now it's time to start up this beast, okay? Here you can also set the exhaust, as you see. And yeah, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, now listen, let me rev it for you. First of all, we have a rev limit at like 4000 RPM, and also the animation and the design of the display is like really cool. You see that? Just look at the way it fires up. Yeah, the look is simply amazing, but the sound is not. Guys. No, it's a no for me. It's definitely a no. Guys, how do you like it? Let's just jump outside and experience it also from the outside. Okay, let's go. So guys, now it's also time to listen to the C43 AMG sound also from the outside, okay? I'm super excited. I didn't hear it from the outside, so let's just go. With an emotion start in Sport Plus. Guys, I'm honest with you, I just want to cry. I really just want to cry. I'm dying from the inside when I hear this sound. If I have to rate this sound from 0 to 10, I would give it a minus 4. This is not how a C43 should sound like. Guys, how do you like the sound of this? Please leave it in the comment section below. Yeah, due to all the regulations, the OPF, due to everything, what's going on right now, I think, yeah, the sound is definitely going to suffer even more than this. How do you guys like it? I'm speechless. I'm literally speechless, and it's okay. Let's just finish it off. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. Finishing off with the C43 AMG, the brand new 2023 model. Guys, how do you like it? In my eyes, it looks absolutely beautiful. And this is just a light version of what we can expect of a C63 to look like. But it's also a light version of what the C63 could sound like, because it's almost the same engine as it's going to be in the C63. And the sound already is extremely depressing. I didn't like it at all. I love the look, I love the inside, the exterior, everything is just perfect in my eyes, but the sound, the emotions are missing. Guys, do you agree with me? Just please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Looking forward to see you all again. I'm out, I'm definitely out. I'm going to cry and finish off this video. See you next time, guys, and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.